In 1998, the local government of Jászfényszaru decided to establish an industrial park at the northern part of the settlement. For realization of developments, the local government set up the Jászfényszaru Industrial Center, Ltd. Favorable geographical conditions of the settlement and the industrial park, as well as developments accomplished by using the financial resources of the local government and the subsidies obtained through different applications, contributed to the significant development of the industrial park in the course of past couple of years. The town lies at the meeting point of Pest, Heves and Jász-Nagykun-Szolnok counties and 3 regions respectively. Some 3,000 people of the population are at their age of working ability from the 6,000. In a region of 20 km around there are some 18,000 people living. Regarding the accessibility of the industrial park, the characteristics are attractive. It lies directly along the road number 32 connecting Szolnok and Hatvan. The distance from Budapest is 60 km and the highway M3 is very close, only 12 km. The distance to the railway with the side track and loading and unloading possibility is 1.5 km. The Budapest-Ferihegy airport is for 52 km. In the smartly restored pub mansion house in the downtown there is the business center, which may provide a space for business meetings, presentations and training programs in its conference hall for some 40 people. Upstairs there are 5 double rooms providing comfortable accommodation for those visiting the town on business. Samsung Electronics Magyar plc, a multinational enterprise that has been active in Hungary since 1989, is a significant enterprise in the industrial park and also in Hungary at the same time. This is how Mr. Lee Ki-nam, the production manager of the Samsung Electronics Magyar plc, sees the past years.
삼성전자가 제일 먼저 헝가리에 투자를 했었고 그때 당시 우리 삼성이 이쪽으로 정하게 된 이유는
Following the Hungarian change of regime in 1989, the Samsung Electronics was the first multinational enterprise which established its production facility in Hungary. Before 1989 there was already a television manufacturing plant in Jászfényszaru. This was the Orion, in which we first acquired 50% of shares in 1989, and then, since 1991, the plant has been working with 100% in Samsung possession. Besides existing facilities, also the principle of 4M played an important role in the site selection process. The 4 notions, starting with the initial letter M, namely man, human resources, machine, material, and method, are of vital importance for production enterprises. Each factor of the 4M promised to be outstanding in this part of Eastern Europe, strengthening the arguments for Jászfényszaru. After having settled, we started the production in 1990. At that time, our annual capacity was 40,000 television sets, while currently there are 12 million electronic products assembled annually in plants belonging to the company, which is an enormous development in the course of 19 years. During this period, we received a lot of support from the municipality of Jászfényszaru, for which I should like to particularly express my thanks. Human resources in the region are constituted of well-trained people with excellent working attitude. In the course of 19 years, the company has dynamically developed, the number of employers has increased, our facilities have been enriched, however, also we have certain difficulties. At the same, our relations with the local municipality are extremely excellent, providing compensation against many things. So we are lucky and we make every effort to further develop these good relations, even with local governments of other towns in the region, like Jászberény or Hatvan, for being more competitive together.
Dozens of buses transport the workers from the neighboring settlements to the companies settled in the industrial park. Among the enterprises settled in the industrial park, there are also local companies, such as the Jászfény Ltd. According to Mr. József Kis, Managing Director,
we as the Jászfény Ltd. have been working in Jászfényszaru since 1991. In the beginning, we were dealing with production of cabinets for radio and television sets. We produced and assembled also small furniture and delivered those into different shops. At the time the industrial park was established in Jászfényszaru, we were among the first to move in. Since that time we have changed our profile partly for transportation and logistic services, partly for production of pallets. Even currently this is what we are dealing with. We have established excellent relations with the neighboring companies and plants, and as being a genuine resident of Jászfényszaru, I warmly recommend everybody to come and join us, as through our cooperation we will assist each other.
the Hirsch Porocel Ltd., as the member of the Hirsch Group, has been working